one of the things we get called out there is what's your home look like today? What do you want it to look like? And so it's very common for us to find vertical kind of panels on the house in Kansas City and go back with horizontal lap siding. It's fairly common in some areas like whether it's Prairie Village or Old Leawood or parts of Mission Hills where they have cedar shingle on their house today, and they want us to replace that with James Hardie shingle siding. We see some of that in Brookside as well. So there's a lot of homes we are replacing with the James Hardie shingle siding. So really there's a vertical siding, board and batten that we do on a fair amount of homes. The horizontal lap siding's like 9 out of 10 of not just what we provide, but really what the market wants and the market provides. And then there are some really niche areas, smaller Cape Cod houses, where people really want the look of cedar shingle on their house, what they have today. And then we do provide them with James Hardie straight edge shingle or James Hardie staggered shingle. More and more we are getting questions around like stone accents and brick accents, and so there are some other things that we can provide. Normally based on the price point is things that we're doing in a very small area. I will tell you, we don't really offer, we don't do many like metal panel jobs that look highly contemporary. We're asked about a lot, like more and more getting asked about it, but a lot of times you're looking at a product that costs $60 to $80 a square foot. And so even something at the front of a home, could be 25, 30. So it's a very cool look. You see it a lot in like Starbucks or a lot of different commercial properties. Like the front, on a 3,000 square foot home might not work. And so there are some very cool modern textures and products that we get asked about. Normally they're so cost prohibitive, most homeowners don't want to go that route, but we're happy to talk about it and share options as well. So.